Hey there everyone, it's Caitlin, your geeky girlfriend, and I am so excited to be filming this video for you all. If you're watching this in my Instagram channel or my YouTube channel, make sure that you're a subscriber and or a follower so that way you can get all of my new videos because there is a lot more content to come, especially this week. Now, today it is time for another unboxing video, and this will be episode number 6 in the Instagram series and in the YouTube channel of unboxings. And some of you might be thinking, wow, that's a lot of unboxings, that's a lot of collabs, which for you guys is good news because that means discounts and coupon codes. And for me, it's good news because I get some free stuff, you guys can get some discounted stuff, so it's a win-win situation for everyone. Now, the reason why I felt like it was necessary for me to take on multiple collabs was because I wanted to make sure I had a very diverse profile of options for my subscribers and followers. So, I have shown you high quality clothing, I've shown you some accessories, there are some other collabs in the works, such as swimwear and potentially cosmetics that you guys will want to hang out for in other videos, and we've seen sunglasses. So in this video, this is going to be for those of you who are really looking to add some new accessories to your wardrobe, and I hope that that's the case for some of you. I myself have a very diverse fashion personality and fashion style that I have pieces in my wardrobe that are from multiple different places. I don't just shop at one store. I'm kind of a grab bag of fashion, and I pick pieces that I love from multiple different sources and multiple different stores, and I'm hoping to bring some new sources of clothing and accessories to you all. So that's the reason for the multiple collabs, is that I wanted to give you a wide variety of new and differing sources to get some new additions to your spring and summer wardrobe, and I'm so excited to share a new one with you today in this video. This video is an unboxing for the brand Ewelynhi, E-W-E-L-Y-N-E, Ewelynhi. And what I loved about this package was it came in the standard UPS packaging, but then inside was this cute shopping bag as if I had went shopping in the store myself. So I loved that. Here's their Instagram at the bottom, and you can find that on my bio or in my bio as well, and in this video. And my coupon code will be there at the end of the video as well for you guys to get your discount code. Let's take a look at the products that I picked out. Now, all of my products were shipped in bubble packaging. And let's take a look at the couple of things that I got in this first order. Now, look how cute this clutch bag is. I love that it has a wrist strap or a handle strap in case you want to just carry it. It has this cute slide clasp on the front. This is the Urus bag in red, but it comes in 4 different colors. You can get this in pink, brown, and green, and this is the red one. And so it has like this see-through kind of, like, it gives me a Lisa Frank vibe on the front, but if we pop the clasp, you can see that it actually is not see-through, so it's just a cool little detail. But there is a pocket in the front where you can see. So it has 2 big pockets, a big pocket and then the small pocket that's see-through, which would be ideal for like chapstick or something like that, because you wouldn't want to put anything super valuable in the front. So it's got 1 big pocket and then the small pocket, and it does close with the clasp. This is a clutch-sized bag, but it carries with a handle. Now, if you open it up, there is the availability to put in a long strap. So this came with it. And all you do with this is you can just slide it inside, slide the clasp, and then you have a long strap bag. So that is super cool, and it can also be attached here on the handles as well. So let's take a look at what that version looks like before we look at the second product. So that's the quick and easy way. If you like wanted to carry this as a clutch, then you could put the long strap just in the bag and then just slide it in the pocket and you're good to go with the shoulder strap. Now, if you wanted to make it a full-length shoulder bag and you wanted to carry it that way for the evening or for the day or what have you, these straps just pop in with a simple click. So I'm going to do that again on this side so you can see how easy this is and how high quality and strong this is. These are not like cheap things that are breaking. So I'm just clicking it on, and watch now that I'm trying to do it in video, I won't be able to get it probably. There we go. Click and we are good. We have a full length bag. How cute, and it's detachable. So if we wanted to, we could go right back to this clutch size bag. Again, this is the Ewelynhi bag in red. The back is the solid red color, which if you watched my 5 Fact Frenzy videos, you know that that's one of my all-time favorite colors. So I have a ton of it. And one of the pieces that I just introduced in my last unboxing is this exact color. So I was so excited to order this bag from Ewelynhi, and because I just have so many clothes that will match this. So I'm so excited. I love the size. It's compact. It is perfect for the night out, either long, formally, and it totally goes with my outfit today. Maybe not so much. Or it is great for a girls' night, something like that. Also, girls out there who are into, if you possibly have your concealed carry and are carrying more than just your standard purse goods, this would definitely be a good purse to carry if you are a concealed carrier or carrying something more than just lipstick and money. So something good to keep in mind. Their bags are high quality. Textures are all good. I don't have any stains, no rips. This is leather, or like a pleathery. It's not, I don't think it's real leather, but it has the look of leather with like, it's that step down from leather that I'm not quite sure what it is. I'm not gonna lie. But it's very high quality. Like, I think this bag will last me a long time. And it is so cute, you guys. This bag also is on sale right now at their website, and you can use my promo code to help you save even more on this. And they have so many other cute options. And again, this comes in 4 different colors: green, pink, and brown, and you would have that color on that side too. So the Ewelynhi bag, super cute. Now let's look at what else I got. I did order one more thing, and I love that they came in a case. Now, I will be honest and say that I ordered this product before the Greek Glasses collab came in. However, I am still excited to be able to represent Ewelynhi with this product because I'm very, very excited to see what they look like. So, you can probably guess what it is. I took my glasses off, which means I have to try them on for you in this video. Now, this product is called the Ewelynhi Glasses in brown. The Ewelynhi in brown. Okay, so you can see the reason why I got them is because they are they look very much like cheetah print, and they have a small, like, winged lens, but they are smaller than what I would typically wear, like in the Greek Glasses video. If you watched that one, if you're into bigger sunglasses, go check out that video that's in my Instagram. But I do love the shape, and if you watch the Greek Glasses Instagram video, I love the dark lenses. So there is a little bit of, I can see some sunlight coming in here. So these are not as big as I would normally go for. However, they are a little bit more toned down. So it's not that I dislike them. They're just not as big, but I like the darkness. So these will be good for a more formal setting, just when I want, if I need brown sunglasses. So those would be situations where I would wear these ones. So they also have other great sunglasses products, reasonably priced, and they have some bigger lenses as well. So the Ewelynhi sunglass, and they have this in red, black, they have this in multiple different colors. So if you like this style and you think that it'll be perfect for you because it is a little bit smaller, it's got the winged lens, then go ahead and check out their sunglasses selection. So Ewelynhi has great products, great quality, and shipping, they let me know when everything shipped, so I knew when to expect it. I got a notification that it had been delivered, so that was really nice. They send you a glasses case, which I love because I'm always losing mine, so that was also really good. And inside the glasses case, the sunglasses came in a baggie as well. So I love that they took good care of their products to ship them. I love that the purse comes with a detachable strap. That was a cool extra add-on that I wasn't expecting. So just like great little surprises from this brand. Great quality products. They're cute. I'm so excited. You will see these products modeled in try-on hauls coming soon, so make sure you check those out. As always, use my code for the discount at Ewelynhi official Instagram. You can get their website there, or it's in my bio. Their Instagram is in my bio, which you can click on to get to their shopping link and use my code. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out this video for the code and my bio, and also you can see it in the collab tab on my story on my page. So make sure you're a follower, and then you get access to all of those features on my Instagram. And I am sorry that this video is a little bit more chaotic than the ones in the past. I have had a really long weekend. If you saw my post tonight on Instagram, I told you that I was going to be creating new content. This is the content. I'm not as put together as I normally am, just because I'm a little bit tired, daylight saving and all that. And I just had a really long weekend, so I apologize for the chaoticness of this video, but that's all in the aspect of being real. So I hope that everybody appreciates the realness and know that I am just a human trying to have fun. And I hope you guys enjoy my little quirkiness. Hashtag I'm a geek. And I hope you guys do check out this website, check out their products. They have such cute items, and I hope you guys really enjoy them. I hope you guys enjoy all of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.